So have you found the edit tools?
Wait, so Chris,
Yeah.
if I put an image on Sketchfab, like a 3D model, then
Yeah.
I can import it in, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll give that a go.
Yeah, and you can scale stuff big as well.
When I try to import things from Sketchfab, it says that you can't have more than 10 models in a frame.
Ah, yeah, there you go. So yeah, I guess that's one of the.
You might have to delete
I
some
might have to delete
dogs.
some of those things. Yeah.
Oh,
So
no.
yeah, no, sad, isn't it?
Wait.
So if you go very back to the top of the menu,
Menu, edit menu.
back to the edit menu, yeah, back to the menu at the side,
Right.
yeah, and then click on, and then on the very top of that, you've got add to this frame.
Ah, yeah.
And then the option for 3D model gives you an upload from your computer option.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but
oh, good. Sorry if I crash, but can I try it?
But it's only a specific size, so it's got to be
right.
it's got to be a GLB file. So if you're in Blender or whatever, you got to export it as a GLB, and it's got to be under 50, and it's got to be under 15 megs.
All right.
If you click on the information, it says that on the information bit where the upload is. That's all right. You can go off and do that, because what you could do if you wanted to is we could explore. Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to, because you could create a frame and then we can all hop over into your frame.
Right, we'll just see.
That'd be fun. And also, there's different environments, so you can choose the out the box environments. You get to choose the different environments, so it'd be quite nice for us just to see that.
And then, can you put, like, for example, if I've got like photographs, like you said, I could then put them on the wall and put them in the space.
Yeah, exactly. And I think that'd be really good for us all to do that, and then we can all go and see each other's. And
but how do we get to each other's? Like, how do we?
Okay, create one first.
So if I go there now.
Yeah, create a space.
Yeah. It says
then
go there.
Go there. Yeah, go there.
Okay. I'll just...
Oh. I didn't think about that bit. Okay. So hopefully she comes back.
Disappeared. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and create one as well.
Yeah, create one as well. So when you create one, let us know the name, and then what you can do is click on one of the, I don't know, click on the pink cat, and then there's a add link to option, and then what you can do is add the link to your frame. Just add it, and then click set frame link, and then we'll be able to click on the cat, and it'll take us to your link.
Cool. Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Positioning stuff is quite tricky.
Which I'm discovering now.
Yeah. I somehow mastered it.
And also to get it look as if it is on the wall.
Yeah. So this is where you definitely need a mouse with a wheel.
Ah, right.
So I'll show you now. Can I move your work?
Yeah.
Do you mind?
Yeah. Go ahead.
So I'm just going to click on this one here, and I'm just using the mouse now. Can you see? So I'm using the mouse to sort of move it towards that wall.
Yeah.
And then as I move it towards that wall, it disappears into the wall. That's why I know it's there. So I know it's flat against the wall because it disappears. And I'm just moving that mouse back and forth like that. Yeah. So I know that's against the wall now, and I can position it on the wall. And then change the scale when it's on the wall like that or whatever. And then lock it into position. So it should be frames. And then this frame and there should be an option to change from a small gallery to something else.
Oh, right, yes, I found
Yeah?
it. Yeah, yeah.
So if you
Yeah.
click the
Oh,
something
okay.
else, it should change the environment. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one of the new spaces they've just created, which is
So we've now jumped into a new space.
so this is like a new environment, yeah.
Yeah.
So obviously all the stuff is positioned in the gallery, the old gallery.
Right. Yeah.
So yeah.
Oh.
So obviously you wouldn't want to do that after positioning all your stuff.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you can go back to that gallery and everything.
Yeah.
So
I quite like this one actually.
it's quite funky, isn't it? This is their new. This is their new new space basically they've just made.
Right.
So they're constantly adding new environments.
Right.
I think I'm going to create mine as well. Like at some point this week, it's going to be quite interesting.
Great, yeah. I think I think it'd be good for us all just to create some spaces.
Yeah.
And then
I think so.
I quite like this hopping around spaces, and
It's so
Yeah.
cute.
it just makes it's good, isn't it? And then when you add that scene functionality into the whole thing, you know, at the bottom, where you can have multiple scenes. I don't know if you saw that. I don't know who was here when we were doing
no, I
that.
didn't see that. Right.
No, I didn't
Oh.
either.
So
you can.
yeah, so basically at the bottom, yeah. You remember when we were switching the scenes?
Yeah.
So let's say, and this could work in terms of doing like a presentation or something. You know, so we're not doing slides on the wall. What you could do is set a space up, one scene, like this, and then put objects in and stuff like that, and then switch to another scene where all those objects go and something else is in its place. So it's almost like changing a slide almost. So
Right.
the space stays the same, but all the objects in the space change.
Yeah.
So it's quite cool. So at the bottom, can you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I think it pushed
But
us all out, didn't it?
Yeah. So you can add a scene now, Lynette, into your bit.
But
So you got
what
two.
would I press to?
So,
I see. I
so
do
the
a
plus sign. Yeah.
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 Okay.
Name it so you know which one's which. So you can say this was the main one, and then the second one is the second one.
Yeah.
And then when you click the scene, all those objects will disappear. There you go. So
okay. Yeah.
you could have a whole new set of objects.
But you all still stay there.
Exactly. So that would be
really
good for like a presentation or something like that.
Yes. Yeah.
Instead of slides, you change the whole space. It'd be cool.
Where's she gone?
I mean,
Oh, there you are.
I was inside Leah's head, literally. I was literally inside your head. I'll send you the picture, Leah. I can see your eyes from inside and your mouth, and the top of your hat.
You look funny from here as well.
So link to frame, add the extension in, and then you got to click set frame link.
Set frame link.
Yeah, and that will set it into that model. And then when you click that model, we should now have the option to jump to your space.
Do you have the option to jump to this space?
So you got to come out of edit mode first.
Oh, okay.
And then click the model.
Yeah.
There you go. Yay!
Hey. Okay, now we got to make it really weird.
Yeah, this is Leah's space. So there's default stuff like this. You can just delete. You can just select it and delete it, like this in the middle of the room. Yeah. So Leah.
Yeah.
If you wanted to change the environment.
Yeah.
Then do you know how to do that?
No idea.
Okay. I can't remember myself now. Again, Lynette's an expert at this. So it's in frames, isn't it? And then it's
mute. Sorry. So you go. What do you want to do? You want to change the environment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you go to frames. No, hang on. No, it wasn't there. Is it frames?
Yeah, frames.
Yeah,
and
it
then
was frames. and
Is it?
hang on, your
Yeah, because it won't, because we're in Leah's now, we can't see
it
it.
won't show.
Yeah, so but you've got it freshly in your head, so it was like
yeah. So normally.
oh, there you go.
I think you did it, Leah.
Yeah,
you did it.
Good.
There you go.
There you go.
I'm in someone's head though. Let me out. I'm in your head, Leah.
You're both merged together. Okay.
Right, is that? Can you build your own space?
Yeah. So if you look in those environments, why don't you take us on a little journey through all the environments?
All right.
Do you fancy that?
Yeah.
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 So
all right.
click on all the environments. Let's try them all out.
We've done gallery, yeah.
We've done small gallery.
We're going to theatre.
So
okay.
yeah, atrium we've done. That's our one we're using for the hub. Yeah, nice.
Wait, so if I was to can you import animations?
You can import animated 3D objects, yeah.
That I could make like a dancing. I could do like someone dancing and put them on the stage.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Potentially. It's good. The spatial audio is nice, isn't it? So what's quite nice about these spaces, right, is if you do you remember the 360 video?
Yeah. So I just found a flagellum.
Right. So they're like built-in photospheres. So if I put the I don't know, this photosphere here. So basically when I click this photosphere now, it should just change the sky and keep the rest of the sort of amphitheatre and stuff in here. There you go, see?
And that's when. Can I do it as well? I don't know.
Yeah, so you can bring photospheres in here, any 360 sort of background. Yeah, or you can use the ones that are in there. So the other one is so it's in inventory and
yes, photosphere.
yeah, there's like a Paris one, I think.
Okay.
There's two to choose from. So if you bring that in, click it, it should change it for everyone.
Yeah. I see that now. I bought Paris in.
That's it. And if you click it, you have to come out of edit mode.
Okay.
And then click it. It should change it for everyone, the environment. There you go.
Yeah, got it.
We need to put some dancing things on the stage.
So if you want to take the 360 environment away, the way to do it is to look down at your feet. And then there's like a return home, and what it will do is remove the 360 video background. Did you manage that, Ashwini?
Yeah.
Did you click it and did the return home bit? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. This model's lovely up here. This hot dog. The quality is lovely. Oh, the sounds. Oh, is that one of the sounds?
It works. Yeah.
Did you import the sound? Oh, is that what that ball is?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, good.
Not sure how to change the volume of that, but
You can mute it. Is it spatial? Let's have a look. Oh, it is, yeah. So it goes really low over here.
ooh, this looks amazing. This little. Leah, is that yours?
Yeah, I'm trying to get. I thought I had created a scene on the stage, but it was all at different scales.
Oh, it looks like you're putting a show in there. You're creating the environment.
It would actually be really cool if someone were to like give a speech on the stage and people actually sat around in the avatars, like on the steps.
Yeah. Well, that is our plan. But that's basically what we're hoping to do, right? So we want to
Yeah.
put events on, and we can put it on in whatever venue we see fit, basically.
Where's this hot dog? Okay, we'll bring him over here.
I quite like this set design stage.
Yeah, I'm loving
It's
it.
good, isn't it? Oh, have I just moved? Oh, did I do that? Oh, I did. So I just accidentally moved it. Okay, here's top tip. When you're not editing, come off edit mode, because otherwise you do stuff like I just did. I accidentally moved this Leah's this environment. And then the other thing you could do, Leah, if you've finished editing, you can lock it. So if anyone does have their edit on, they won't move it by mistake.
Cool.
But be careful, because when you hit the spacebar, sometimes you can undo the lock without knowing it.
Okay.
This is probably the closest I've been to an arena or like a theater concert since COVID.
Oh, good. Yeah. Well, this is yeah, exactly.
It's nice.
This is what we can do, really.
No, and we could also
performances.
Yeah, and we could project things onto the screen as well, couldn't we?
Yeah, can have stuff.
Screen bit as well as the stage.
Yeah, can have stuff
Have a
playing
bit of
on
footage
here.
there.
Yeah.
All sorts.
Yeah.
Like this.
This is it. This is just the beginning. Leah's going for it.
Cheers.
Yeah, I love this. This is so good.
I don't know how to move the hot. Oh, here we go.
I'm going to jump in VR to see what it looks like. Got it?
Uh-huh. Wait,
I'm actually inside the big hot dog.
But we can't see you, can we?
No, because I'm on the Oculus Quest.
Ah. I need to find out how to link my one up to this.
Yeah,
well, there you are.
It's really easy. If you've got an Oculus Quest, basically you just go to the Oculus browser inside the Quest.
Yeah.
And then just put the URL. That's it. And then you're in. Yeah.
Right, I'll try that next time.
It's really easy. Really good. When you've got lots of models in that, this quite laggy. That's the only thing.
Right.
I love that you can share your screen. That's nice. It's really nice for like presentations and stuff.
Oh.
Can you see it?
That is so cute.
This is so funny. I love that.
That is so cute.
Amazing. I love that feature. Amazing.
Oh my god.
Like
Wait,
that.
how do you change the sky?
It was through this 360 sphere. So if you import like an image that is 360 and then you double click on it, yeah.
I think I clicked on it.
Wow.
Yeah, it changes the sky. Well, not the sky, but the whole surroundings. But I guess because this model is here, we cannot see completely.
Yeah, so you have an option when in your settings, when you create an environment, you have an option to show either just show the 360 image where you can't see anything else, or you have the option to show the model, or you have an option to also show all the 3D assets.
And can you alternate between those?
Sorry, yeah, so you can turn that on or off. So you can either go into full,
amazing,
full 360. So yeah, have a bit of fun. I think our mission is for everyone to go and create their own frames, and then on Monday I think we'll do some more frame hopping.
Sounds good.
Yeah, great.
Okay, see you on
Fabulous.
Monday.
Okay.
Okay.
Cheers.
Bye, everyone.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.